In this video, I will show you how to add arrows in Excel. Here's the first, second, and third. Here, for how to add first arrow here is double click here, insert, then you would find shape. In the shape, you need to find a arrow here. You can find here, recently used, and you can also find here, and just draw the range you want, and you can move the yellow points here to change the shape. Also here also can change the arrow shape. Here is the first and second how to change this one. If you are tables here's some data here, percentage here, and just select here home condition format. We need to collect icon set. Here you choose 1, 2, 3 or whatever you want. I usually second one. Then you got this one, but this one is also when I change the data, then your file is not collect. How to set this one? Select this one, condition format, and manage rules. In the manage rules, we found list rules and double click here and change when values was change it to number. When values was more than or equal to 0, then it's changed to numbers, then it will be green, and numbers green, then click OK, click apply. So we got here, so when we change the data here, he was changed here. Here is what we want, percentage. Then the last step is the percentage here is changed to, we need to select here, right click, and you will find format cells. Double click here, and in the numbers, here is a custom. Here custom, you need to type this one, click OK. And what means blue means is a blue font. When the data was equal or more than 0, it will be a list arrows and with percentage. Or the red when the data was less than equals the last one was the data was equal to 0, and it will be this one. So you can also equal this one to yellow here, like this one. We copy, then select here format cells. In the format cells custom, will paste here and click OK. Then when we type 0, then you will find it's yellow.